What's up, everyone? In this video, we're out here at a farm pond about 30 minutes from the house. We're fishing here after school, so we have about 2 hours to fish. In this video, we about fished, I think, from like 4:30 to 6:30. But yeah, we caught some good videos. And I want to give a quick shout out to my beautiful, amazing, loving girlfriend, Anna, for this awesome Lews reel I'm using right here in this video, in this clip. Got to put it to work on some topwater bass. So yeah, enjoy the video.
I skipped the island. Could you see anything?
There wasn't a lot of fish there.
I blew up at the boat. Alright. Yeah. Oh, something's weight too, I think. Nah, didn't.
To my bait or yours?
Not to yours. Don't think. Close up, bait. As far as you can.
I'll watch him wake out to it.
I tell you.
He T-boned that thing. Where them pliers at? Okay. I think that dude about to get fish. Is it? Oh crap. Did you see him eat it on live tip?
No, but I didn't even out there. Definitely a good one.
Oh yeah, that's a 5. Come on. You got him. Bring him to me. There you go. Is that on a big trick worm?
Yeah.
Dude, I need to get me a big fish in my own boat. That's probably a 5, ain't it?
I'd say 4.5 pounds. Dude, you should have saw that. Hey, come up here and cast right here. They're like stacked right here.
Hey, can you move the trolling motor pedal over?
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, I can cast that full-size one so much better.
Cast right there. Just don't. I'm not even working it. I'm literally casting it and I'm letting it structure right there. I don't know what it is though.
It's all this trees and crap in the water.
No, there's a fish swimming down there. Good or?
I think he's just kicking my butt.
Yeah, he's bad.
He's like a 2. Hey, my leader line is that like $1.50 Zebco line from Walmart. No, I like it. I've used it before, and I've actually.
It's the Zebco Omniflex. It's been around forever, but it's...
Today will be the day I hit lose a big fish. Not such a big fish.
Well, we got like 8 pounds in the live well with 2 fish.
If they don't hit it on the first 2 twitches, you might as well reel that sucker in.
I think it's little because he keeps taking the worm.
I'm not sure. I've been getting better about not slinging it, I will say that.
I have 4-inch Senkos, you didn't like that?
Well, you still got the little ones, it's just...
I have a ton of black ones too. He spit it.
You throw your wacky worm in the States, I'll throw mine. Ow.
Something just blew up back there somewhere.
That one.
That's close to 2, maybe. Do I put him in the box or no?
Today's February 7th, and today was
Not
in
even
the
summer
80s,
yet.
and the water temperature was about the mid-60s, 65. I think the highest we saw was 68. But these fish are up here ready to spawn. I mean, we caught them on topwater, as you can tell. A lot of wacky worm, but they were just chewing really shallow. A little unusual for this time of year. As you can see, I had lots of hits and came off just like that.
Those ones? Trolling it. No, a little crankbait. I don't know. Crappie.
Yeah, we gotta get that one. Hold on to it.
Got a crappie on the YouTube. About put a hook in mine. Ugh. Get the grass off the end of that thing. Oh, what?
You catch those in there a little bit?
Hmm.
You catch those ones in there?
Yeah.
Stay on there, wait, you want to?
No. Need to invest, huh?
It's like this rod.
This is what I'm using right here. The Wacky Rig. Updated my leader. It's got me home. I get some line. He's still on it. I think he's still on it. That's the first cast with it.
Is it a big one?
I don't think so. Yeah, he's still. Oh, he came off.
Is that the
He broke it.
broken reel?
Dang.
That's unfortunate.
The regular.
Can't believe the biggest fish I ever caught is about 5 pounds.
So you had to cheer for it or what?
No.
Isn't Calhoun up this way somewhere?
30 minutes from here. Not bad.
So it's like an hour from her.
Yeah.
I got one. Running at me. Running at me. Give me pliers, please. Pour flavor.
There you go.
Where we're ending. Got our Pepsis. About to go.